Ciao!
Oi!
Hey!
This is how Slovenians say hi, among friends, of course.
Živjo!
Zdravo!
And these are the two most frequently used greetings.
Let's learn a few more, starting with more formal ones.
In the morning, you can say dobro jutro, good morning.
During the day, dober dan, which means good day.
And in the evening, dober večer, good evening. But you can cut the formal greetings when talking to friends. Like dobro jutro becomes just jutro. Dober dan is simply dan. And dober večer, večer. Time to say nasvidenje, goodbye.
Or if you want a more informal version, just go with addio.
Addio.